dive into the fascinating world of the biological carbon pump, a critical component of our planet's global carbon cycle. Picture this: our Earth, a vibrant sphere teeming with life, is in a constant dance with carbon, a key player in life's molecular ensemble. The biological carbon pump is a natural process that helps to regulate this dance, choreographing how carbon moves from the atmosphere to the depths of the ocean. Here's how it works. Tiny marine organisms known as phytoplankton absorb carbon dioxide from the atmosphere through photosynthesis. When these phytoplankton die or are eaten by other sea creatures, they sink towards the ocean floor, dragging the absorbed carbon with them. This process is vital in sequestering carbon, effectively storing it away from the atmosphere and helping to regulate our planet's climate. But the dance doesn't end there. Some of this carbon is recycled back into the atmosphere, while the rest remains in the deep ocean. This intricate process plays a crucial role in the global carbon cycle, influencing our climate and ecosystems in ways we're just beginning to understand. With this understanding, we can start to explore recent scientific findings about the strength of the biological carbon pump. A recent study has shed new light on the strength of the biological carbon pump and its role in carbon sequestration. This research, conducted by a team of dedicated scientists, has been a significant stride in understanding the complex processes of our planet's carbon cycle. To give you a bit of perspective, the biological carbon pump is essentially nature's method of moving carbon from the surface to the deeper, darker parts of the ocean. This is crucial in maintaining the balance of carbon in our atmosphere and oceans, ultimately influencing our climate. The research team discovered that the total organic carbon export at the euphotic zone depth, that's the sunlit top layer of the ocean where photosynthesis happens, is approximately 15 petagrams of carbon per year. To put that in context, 1 petagram is equal to 1 billion metric tons. That's a lot of carbon. Moreover, the study found that the globally integrated organic carbon production rate, with sequestration time greater than 3 months, is about 11 petagrams of carbon per year. This gives us an indication of how much carbon is being stored long-term in the ocean's depths. Interestingly, the team identified sinking particles and vertically migrating zooplankton as key contributors to the organic carbon export. These tiny creatures and particles play a significant role in moving carbon from the surface to the depths, acting as a biological conveyor belt. The study also highlighted the potential impact of future global warming on the recycling of organic matter in the upper ocean. As the planet warms, this could weaken the biological carbon pump, disrupting the balance of the carbon cycle. These findings underscore the importance of the biological carbon pump in the global carbon cycle and the potential consequences of global warming. They also remind us of the intricate interplay between the living and non-living components of our planet and how changes in one can reverberate throughout the whole system. So the next time you look out at the vast expanse of the ocean, remember there's a lot more going on beneath the surface than meets the eye. So what do these findings mean for all of us? Well, let's summarize. The biological carbon pump plays a pivotal role in our global carbon cycle. It's a process that transfers photosynthetically produced organic carbon from the surface to deeper waters, acting like our planet's own recycling system. And it's stronger than we thought. Recent studies based on multidecadal hydrographic data suggest that the total organic carbon export at the euphotic zone depth is around 15 petagrams of carbon per year. That's a huge amount of carbon being transported from the surface to the depths of our oceans thanks to sinking particles and vertically migrating zooplankton. However, there's a twist. Global warming could potentially weaken this biological carbon pump, disrupting the recycling of organic matter in the upper ocean. This could have far-reaching consequences for our planet's climate and the health of our oceans. These findings emphasize the need for further research, especially considering non-sinking particles and other transport mechanisms. Only then can we fully understand the magnitude and implications of this natural process. Stay curious, keep learning, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more intriguing science content.